Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. Today we are going to learn about the weather and the four seasons in French. Le temps et les quatre saisons en français. Le temps in French stands for the time and the weather as well. Now, how would you ask about the weather in French? You would say, Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? There could be many replies depending on the weather condition. Now, if I were to say that it's good today or it's beautiful, I would say, Il fait beau, which means it's beautiful. Il fait beau. Now you must have noted that we've used the verb faire. Yes, to tell about the weather, we use the verb faire. If you want to say that it's cold, il fait froid. Il fait froid, which means it's cold. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud stands for it's hot. Now there are other ways of telling about the weather. For example, il pleut. Quel temps fait-il? Il pleut, which means it's raining. If you want to say that it's foggy today, quel temps fait-il? Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard, which means it's foggy. Now, if you want to say that it's cloudy today or there are clouds outside, il y a des nuages. There are clouds or it's cloudy today. Il y a des nuages. Now there's another way of saying the same. C'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. So there are many ways of telling about the weather. Now to say that it's windy, you would say il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. And to say that it's mild today, il fait doux. Il fait doux. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait doux. Now, if you want to say that it's snowing today, il neige. Quel temps fait-il? Il neige. Now, for few weather conditions, we use the verb faire. Now let's play this little game. Si je mets mon écharpe, if I'm wearing my scarf, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Il y a des nuages. Il fait froid. Il fait beau. Right. Il fait froid. Si je mets mon chapeau, if I'm wearing my cap, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Il y a du soleil. Il pleut. Il neige. Right. Il y a du soleil. Si j'utilise mon parapluie, if I'm using my umbrella, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Il fait beau. Il pleut. Il y a des nuages. Right. Il pleut. Now let's check the four seasons in French. Les quatre saisons en français. Le printemps, the spring, l'été, the summer, l'automne, the autumn or the fall, l'hiver, the winter. Now let's check the pronunciation. Le printemps, l'été. We're putting L apostrophe because the word is beginning with a vowel. L'automne, again we have a vowel here, L apostrophe. L'hiver, in here we will not pronounce the H. L'hiver, L apostrophe. Now let's play another game. Au printemps, il fait froid, il fait chaud, il fait beau. Right, il fait beau. En printemps, il fait beau. En hiver, il fait doux, il fait chaud, il y a du brouillard. Right, il y a du brouillard. En automne, il fait doux, il fait froid, il y a du vent. Right, il y a du vent. En été, il y a des nuages, il neige, il fait chaud. Right, il fait chaud. Now let's learn to ask about somebody's preferred season. To ask, you would say, Quelle est ta saison préférée et pourquoi? What's your most liked season or preferred season and why? The person might reply you back, Ma saison préférée, c'est l'hiver. My preferred season is winters. And why do you like it? Et pourquoi? Parce qu'il neige en hiver. Because it snows in winter. Alors, dites-moi de votre saison préférée dans les commentaires. Tell about your preferred season in the comments. Merci. Au revoir.